All right, everybody. We are in Toronto, Canada. If you're joining the channel for the first time, I do biking and walking videos in the city. We are in the west end of the city, heading to the lake. These are some of the back streets off Bloor Street. I don't know what this building is, but it sure looks Metropolitan Hall. All right. I'm trying to go away from the sun so I get better footage, better lighting like this. So these are some of the side streets off of West End in Bloor Street. It's Kennedy, I don't know, Runnymede, something like that. Brestford. Okay, this one is Brestford. Huh. All right, this area used to be a lot of Ukrainians and Germans back in the day. And when you say back in the day in Canada, you mean usually 20, 30 years back. If you say back in the day in Europe, you'll go back about 100, 150 years. If you say back in the day in like Middle East, you'll go back about 1,000 years. So this is your time framing. Some of these are renovated into new buildings. But when you say back in the day in Canada, it's usually about, I don't know, 20, 30 years, you know. Because the country's only about, what, 150 years old? It's a baby, come on, it's a baby. You know, so, yeah, so that's it. There used to be a lot of Germans and Ukrainians. I don't know what happened to them now. Oh, look, there's a, let's go in this park. How's the track? Can't see any. Make sure. All right. I can't see anything. The sun's so bright. I just want to make sure we don't get killed on the downhill. But let's go in this park and check it out. Very strong sun. The weather today is absolutely. Oh, something went in the gears. I don't know what it was. Probably a branch or a snake or something. The weather is amazing today. It is very warm today. Very warm for mid-October. It's like October 20th or something. Total t-shirt weather. T-shirt and shorts. Let's do a climb here. I wonder if this road goes anywhere. Wow. Maybe. Ah la la. Look at this field. There's a gate there. Wow, look at this sun is incredible. Oh look, there's a pathway there. I don't know where this goes. We'll check it out. All right, let's do this. Look at the sun here. Look at this field. Beautiful field. All right. Let's see where this goes. Let's ask these people. Hey, can I get to the lake from here?
There are some stairs. You will have to.
Stairs, but we can get out this way, right?
You can get, but there is a stairway to the Leslie.
Leslie?
Ellis.
Ellis.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, for a second. All right, man.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Yeah, no, you're...
I'll give it a shot. All right. I've never been on this trail at all before, so let's check it out. It's going downhill, so you know what it means. When you go downhill, you gotta come uphill. No danger, swinging. Hey, can I get to Ellis Avenue from here?
Pardon?
Can I get to Ellis Avenue from here?
Yeah, there's
And what does this go? This way go? What? How? What about this way?
I have no idea, but maybe it's to Ellis. I think there's another entrance, so keep going.
All right, thank you. Let's check this out. All right. Asking directions. Look at this thing. Wow. That's pretty cool. I've never seen this before. Look at this pond. How muddy is it? Wow, this is pretty nice. Some people are across the pond. Let's go discover this a bit. Wow, this is it's a pretty nice looking pond, I tell you. Wow. Let's push this back up. Yeah, it's a pretty nice area. I've never been here before.
No, it's interesting, but it's more for walking, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
It's hard for the bike because there's this stairway up, and
Yeah.
there's another one. Look.
Okay, I'm just gonna check it out.
Check it out,
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
But I don't think we find the way here to that because that I think that the bridge, the small bridge.
Okay, I'll just go look. I'm just. All right, thank you guys, thank you. All right. I've never been in this area before, so let's check this out. Let me take my glasses off. The sun's really bright. What does this sign say? It says danger, no approach. No approach. Yeah, you shouldn't approach this place because it's muddy and I don't know what kind of a water is it. It's good water or not, but all right, we don't need the light here. Flashing light. Let's keep going. Are we filming? The red light's on? Yeah, good. Oh, there's a bridge there. Oh, I see what she was talking about. This thing. All right. Wow. I wasn't expecting to find this trail today. Oh, super muddy here. Can we make it through this mud? It's getting deeper and deeper. Oh. Oh man, so super deep. I see. I'll take some of this pictures and then we go back. There's a bridge here. Hi.
You from this area?
Hmm?
From this area?
Yeah.
You know if there's any fish here? I don't think there is, right?
Well, I've never been in this area, but I am from this area. I don't even know which lake it is.
This is Catfish Pond,
Catfish Pond.
but it's stormwater pond.
Oh yeah. Yeah, make a right here, right?
If you take a right, yeah, you'll get some stairs. You'll be able to get out.
All right, man. Thanks. Good luck. What does this sign say? It says danger, no walking. It's a pretty cool area, though. They're on a bike and hike mission. I wonder where is what if I make a right, where that would go? Probably come out of, oh, look at this. That's a pretty nice area. Smells very, not too pleasant. Not too pleasant, huh? Wow, that's so green. That water is so green. That's a pretty cool shot. Look at this. Oh, this is the staircase they're talking about. Actually, it's rideable down. Pretty easy. Wow, this is really gorgeous. Can we get this through the... Alright. If you're joining the channel for the first time, we're in Toronto, major city in Canada, and we found this gorgeous area that we can check out. Wow, we're right downtown the city. We're right next to the freeway. You can hear the cars on the highway. I wonder what street this is. Oh, cool.
Yeah, the story.
Yeah, it's good.
Not too bad. Yeah.
Not too bad. It's a nice area. Nice area. Yeah, yeah.
Interesting to discover stuff. Yeah.
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 Yeah. I mean, I live with close by,
Mhm.
but I've never. I just somehow was riding my bike and I ended
This
up.
is somehow hidden.
Yeah,
Nobody
very
knows.
hidden, yeah.
Yeah.
There's another place like it, over the bridge on Bloor Street.
Okay.
You know Bloor Street going across Humber River.
Yes.
You know, right before you cross the river from this end to the left, there's a building, and you can go down and you can go to a whole area. It's good.
Good. Enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you, man. Nice talking to you. Yeah, take care, guys. All right, friendly locals. Oh, I see where we are. I see. Okay, I remember. Let me double check some. Oh, I know where we are. Granity, yeah. Yeah, I know where we are. Wow. Wow. Great. Wow, that's crazy. All right. We're out of here. Okay, secret Toronto hideaway. Wow, that was an exciting little fun find that I think in the winter is going to be absolutely gorgeous down there, because definitely have to come back for a check. Look, see here. Ah, la la. All right, so we're going to continue to the waterfront area. The weather is fantastic. It was a little bit muddy there, so, and it was the street cutting ruckus. It's my first time on an unknown trail. I don't want to ride it because you don't know if there's cables or something or what's out there. So you want to be a little bit cautious on your first ride down a trail. But it's a very rideable trail. Okay, so we're at High Park. Gotta watch the cars behind and hit on a scooter. Okay, which right away we're in the busiest intersection in the city. Let's go. Let's go change lanes here and then check out this High Park a little bit. We want to make a left into the sidewalk, so can we make it? Can we make it? All right, let's go. This is a High Park pond, so they call that catfish pond. Lots Whoa, I love that one. That's like a Suzuki. We're gonna go to the first lookout point here in the park. It's kind of a boring. I find these rides boring when there's grass on both sides, like green stuff like this. It just has no color, right? Forget about it. Forget about it. We need more color. Like, I just want to go to the first spot and check it out, see how the sun looks. How does the sun look? How's the sun look? Wow, the sun's really bright. All right. These guys are on a date. You can tell they're on a date because they smell so good. Hello. Oh, you can't see anything this way. Oh, look at this. This is all. Let's go back. Let's go. I think that's a better lookout. Trying to find a good lookout. A lot of lady fishermen I see today. Lady fishermen. I like that. Lady fishermen. Wow, the sun's so strong. Going back's gonna be crazy. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, here we are. I like this. Look at this. Wow, wow. I find Toronto to be an interesting city because you get these kind of views with the sound of traffic. Life-saving equipment. Beautiful. I have a picture here I took of myself a while back, but done. Let's go. I'm gonna head back to the lake. I'm gonna finish the video right into the sun here. And look at this. Wow, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. I'm gonna head to the light, and I will make another video when I get to the waterside. Thanks for joining me for this discovery ride in the city. I put the name of that park, maybe I won't, in the description, and I will catch you in the next film.